Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows hemoperitoneum, also called hematoperitoneum. Hemoperitoneum is the presence of blood in the peritoneal cavity. The blood accumulates in the space between the inner lining of the abdominal wall and the internal abdominal organs. The Morison pouch is a potential space that can open up when fluid or blood enters this area. When these are not present, there is no space between the liver and the right kidney. As a result, the doctor uses the presence of Morison's pouch on an ultrasound to help diagnose the condition that can cause fluid buildup in the abdomen. The Morison pouch is also called the hepatorenal recess, and this is the space that separates the liver from the right kidney. As a potential space, the recess is not filled with fluid. Under normal conditions, the fluid may be seen on ultrasound or CT scan. The hepatorenal recess is also called the pouch of Morison or Morison's pouch. You can see a significant amount of fluid in the lower abdominal cavity, and the fluid is thick and turbid as due to the traumatic injury in a child aged about 7 years. And you can see the thick fluid, free fluid seen in the lower abdominal cavity. The fluid is also visible in the upper abdominal cavity in the Morison's pouch. The fluid is thick, turbid. This is the Hemoperitoneum. The fluid is blood. Now you will see with the high power linear probe the examination of the same patient. Now you can see this is the liver, gallbladder, and now you can see a significant amount of fluid in the Morison's pouch or hepatorenal recess. The fluid between the liver and the right kidney. This is the fluid seen in the Morison's pouch or hepatorenal recess. The use of ultrasound is an important component of hospital point of care (POC) examination for pediatrics and adult patients suffering from the traumatic injury when the potential for intra-abdominal or intrathoracic hemorrhage. POC and ultrasonography can rapidly identify life-threatening injuries that require immediate intervention and has greater sensitivity and specificity for detecting pneumothorax when compared to spine chest radiography. Again, you can see thick and turbid fluid. The blood in the lower abdominal cavity, Hemoperitoneum. Vehicle crashes and falls are the most frequent causes of blunt trauma, which is often a diagnostic challenge. Patients with severe injuries and persistent bleeding require immediate diagnosis and treatment. Patients with less severe trauma or no apparent injury on initial examination may nevertheless have severe intra-abdominal injuries, and delayed diagnosis of these injuries is a major cause of preventable morbidity and mortality. Again, you can see the fluid in the upper abdominal cavity in the Morison's pouch, Hemoperitoneum. And here again you can see the fluid is thick and turbid. This is liver, this is the fluid in the hepatorenal recess. This is the Hemоperitoneum. You can see in this patient the fluid is seen in the upper as well as in the lower abdominal cavity due to the traumatic injury, blunt injury. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.